In this clip, we're going to go over basic tips and techniques that will help you become a better and more appealing photographer and take better pictures. We're going to cover basic steps. They are easy to understand and easy to follow. Things like basic camera functions, planning your picture shoots, let you take pictures that tell a story. Now, in these cameras, they do not take pictures on film, but rather they take pictures on what is known as a compact flash card, or what some people like to call the bigger ones, a little mini hard drive, such as this one right here. It takes 4 gigabytes worth of data, or depending upon the mode of resolution that you're shooting in, thousands and thousands of pictures. Different types of camera functions include the ISO setting, your aperture, which basically are going to determine how fast the shutter speed is going to work, how much light comes in or how much light does not come into the camera, which has a big impact on your picture, depending upon whether you're shooting at night, low lighting conditions, or fast lighting conditions, or high bright conditions like outdoor sunset. Then you have your f-stop and of course your lens.